how to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your very own channel on Instagram. So let's get into it now. I do have to give you a little bit of disclaimer that you will need to have at least 5,000 followers in order for you to have the option to create a broadcast channel. If you don't, you can. Instagram previously, when they first launched, you could create broadcast channels, because I remember I created it, but now I can't because I don't have 5,000 followers. So that is one thing. If you have 5,000 followers, you can create a broadcast channel just like a group channel. But if you don't have 5,000 followers, you can. So all you have to do is just simply go into the messaging or the DMs section, and here you will have the option to create a broadcast channel. It's as simple as that. But since I don't have a lot of followers, as you can see right here, I only have like 9 followers, I can't create a broadcast channel. So there you go. But yeah, make sure to have 5,000 followers, otherwise it's not going to work. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And until next time, take care and goodbye.